and welcome aboard the Carnival celebration. Today we're taking you on a stateroom tour so you can know what you can expect on board this brand new cruise ship with Carnival Cruise Lines. Let's get right started into the room and have a look. 17 to 10 on the Carnival celebration. So walking right on in here, we have a bit of living space. Check this out. So we have your light control. We have a full wet sink here. Really cool bar along with some countertop space. I'm just impressed by the living space and the 4 tables and chairs here. So we have all of your outlets on here. So we have USB along with regular outlets here. Oh my gosh. What does this do? We will find out. Way cool. Where is the little LED lights that turn this bad boy on? I'm intrigued. That's cool. So we have your fridge. We have lots of drawer space here. Hair dryer. Ooh, binoculars. How cool. If you're seeing something really nice as you are cruising. We have towels as well for you here. And this couch is quite big. And here in this side, it turns and flips into where someone else can sleep on this here. So the chairs, and then we have the amazing balcony, which we'll show you in just a minute here. But we also have the TV on the wall here. So it's separated 2 bedrooms. You walk out. We have a full door here, by the way, too. So this is the bedroom. There's another TV in here, more light controls, and also on the side of the bed here, we'll show you some of the amenities. We have some light controls here so you can read with your USB charging station right next to your bed, chair, table, and then kind of spin around here. And then we have your vanity along with a phone, more drawer space, and tons of more outlets as well for you to charge and keep those devices juiced up for all those awesome vacay photos. Now we have the bathroom. So this is a pocket door here and a little step into the bathroom, and we have the shower here. So a really big shower door, and check out this amazing waterfall shower and all of the different spouts here. So there's 4 different spouts along with the hose, LMS products because you're in a suite. So very, very nice. And then sinks on each side. So dual sinks here. So one here, countertop space, shelving, glasses to rinse your mouth on the shelf there with a magnifying glass. And then this isn't a mirror. You can walk through here. So this is another pocket door, and then your toilet. So kind of like a powder room, separate area here that help you get ready. Really kind of cool to see this space. And then that's where we started. So then we can keep around and move over here. And then we'll move out onto the balcony. Check out how big this balcony is here. So really cool. We have a huge space. There is even a shower, amazing, for your jacuzzi. Look at the ultimate view that you have to enjoy as you're cruising, and this is really, really nice. You can have some fun private moments out here in the shower and in that jacuzzi. Enjoy lounging. Huge clam shell space here, 2 other loungers. Now at this point in the video, you might be wondering about some different categories of staterooms and what else is out there on this ship. Don't worry, I got you covered. You can check out this entire playlist of other different types of rooms for your cruise vacation. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, ciao for now.